Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to use the Bluetooth feature on your LG TV. Now of course it's a general tutorial for the LG TV so you can actually understand and use the Bluetooth feature. Do note that there are several Bluetooth options and each of them is used for different situations. Alright, so I'll try to explain them all and show you where exactly to find them. All right, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first one, guys, is you're gonna go to settings, all settings. All right, so once you're in the settings menu, there is a Bluetooth option under sound and a Bluetooth option under general. All right, so let's go with the sound one first, as this is the most popular one. Now, if you were to go here and you were to go to sound output, which is TV speakers, select, you'll find that it says here use TV speakers, it says use a wired speaker, and of course use a wireless speaker. Now if you're trying to connect a Bluetooth speaker, this is where you would come. I already have one queued up just to show you as an example. So if you were to go here and turn on Bluetooth device, and of course if you search, it should search and it should show a device. For example, here I have one of my devices that was connected. It would scan and appear here. So for example, if I hit connect, it
The
was
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
all right. So as you can hear, it was connected successfully. All right, so that's the first option there, and that's how you connect a Bluetooth speaker. If it wasn't connected for the first time, make sure that the speaker is on and in search mode, or in other words, it's searching for a connection and it would find it. All right, so we can go back from here, and that's one of the Bluetooth options. And notice the sound profile above says Bluetooth device. All right, next you can use external speakers. This would include something like speakers used for output such as a sound bar or a surround sound system. So of course you could find those type of sets up here. So for example, if we go to Bluetooth device and TV speaker, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, it will disconnect your normal setup as shown there, and of course it will run you through a setup tutorial which is seen here. And of course, as you can notice from the design, it's showing surround speakers, and of course it's asking you what type of speaker it is. If it's a dual speaker, it will basically run you through the entire setup for a surround system. All right, I'm going to end this one here so we can go back. All right, so let's go back to settings again. All right, so, and of course that's the first Bluetooth option, which is the most likely one you'll use depending on what you're using. So if you are using a surround sound system, you'd go there. So that's two so far, one for a Bluetooth speaker, the second for a surround sound. And if we go into general and go over to devices and then go to, of course, external devices, here you see another Bluetooth option. Now this one can use to connect various input devices such as a controller or a game controller, a keyboard or a mouse. And of course it will use those devices as an input method. All right, so you can actually support stuff for gameplay, or of course for better input or better navigation of the system. So if you were connecting a mouse, a gamepad or a keyboard, this is where you would come. All right, so that's number 3. So that's how you use the Bluetooth options on the LG TV. Once you know where they are and what they're used for, it should be good. All you have to do is turn on each device and turn on their Bluetooth and put them in discoverable mode. And of course, they would show up here. So for example, if it was a gamepad, it would show up. If it was a keyboard, it would show up, and a mouse, it would show one. Then you can choose and then configure. Same for the surround system as well as for the Bluetooth speaker, which I showed you earlier. You can scan for your Bluetooth speaker and connect. All right, so I do hope that explains it. I have a separate tutorial that goes more in detail how to connect a Bluetooth speaker and shows you exact configurations. All right, so I'm going to end the tutorial here, And as always, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips with another quick tip showing you how to use the Bluetooth features on your LG TV. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.